The perfect caprese salad with balsamic glaze for any occasion. Imagine a dish that's fresh, vibrant, and bursting with flavor, yet so simple that it comes together in just minutes. That's the magic of a caprese salad with balsamic glaze. This Italian classic is a true celebration of fresh ingredients, combining ripe tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, fragrant basil, and a drizzle of sweet yet tangy balsamic reduction. Whether you're serving it as an appetizer, a side dish, or a light meal, this salad will impress everyone at the table. The basics of a perfect caprese salad. A traditional caprese salad is all about the balance of flavors and textures. The juicy sweetness of ripe tomatoes, the soft and delicate mozzarella, the aromatic basil, and the deep richness of the balsamic glaze create a symphony of taste that's both simple and sophisticated. The key? Using high-quality ingredients and assembling them with care. Ingredients: serves 4 large, ripe tomatoes, preferably heirloom or vine-ripened. 12 ounces, 340 gramos, fresh mozzarella, preferably buffalo mozzarella. Medio cup fresh basil leaves. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons balsamic glaze. Medio teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. BY's Guide to Assembling Your Caprese Salad. Slice the ingredients. Cut the tomatoes and mozzarella into 1 diagonal 4-inch thick slices. You want them to be uniform for an elegant presentation and even distribution of flavors. Layer with care. Arrange the tomato slices and mozzarella slices alternately on a large serving platter, slightly overlapping them in a circular or linear pattern. Add fresh basil. Tuck whole basil leaves between the slices, or sprinkle chopped basil over the top for a more rustic look. Drizzle the olive oil. Use a high-quality extra virgin olive oil to drizzle over the salad. This enhances the flavor and adds a silky texture to each bite. Balsamic glaze magic. Drizzle the balsamic glaze generously over the salad. If you don't have a ready-made glaze, you can make your own by simmering balsamic vinegar over low heat until it thickens into a syrupy consistency. Saison to perfection. Finish with a sprinkle of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. This enhances the natural flavors of the ingredients without overpowering them. Why you'll love this salad. Quick and easy, ready in just 10 minutos, no cooking required. Healthy and nutritious, packed with vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Versatile, perfect for summer picnics, dinner parties, or even a quick snack. Restaurant quality flavor. The combination of fresh ingredients and balsamic glaze makes it taste gourmet with minimal effort. Pro tips for an unforgettable caprese salad. Choose the best tomatoes. Opt for ripe, in-season tomatoes for the sweetest and juiciest flavor. Use high-quality mozzarella. Buffalo mozzarella is the best choice for its creamy texture and rich taste. Homemade balsamic glaze. Making your own glaze takes a few minutes and enhances the depth of flavor. Serve at room temperature. Cold ingredients can dull the flavors, so let them sit out for a few minutes before serving. Caprese salad is proof that simple ingredients can create something truly spectacular. Have you tried making it at home? That's your secret to the perfect caprese. Share your thoughts in the comments.